Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and today we're diving deep into one of the most powerful and surprisingly affordable laptops I've seen lately, the TOPGRO gaming laptop computer. This machine is packing some serious specs, an Intel Core i9-9980HK, a GeForce GTX 1650 GPU, 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, and a 1 terabyte PCIe SSD. All in a sleek 16-inch FHD design that's perfect for gamers, creators, and business professionals alike. And here's the best part. You can grab it right now on Amazon, and I'll leave my affiliate link down below so you can check the latest deals. But wait, is this laptop really worth the hype? Can it handle heavy gaming, 4K video editing, and multitasking without breaking a sweat? Stick around because in this video, I'll test it, break it down feature by feature, and tell you exactly who this laptop is made for, and who should skip it. Let's start with the design. The TOPGRO gaming laptop looks premium with its minimalist matte black finish. It's surprisingly thin for a performance laptop, and the build feels solid, not cheap or plasticky. The 16-inch Full HD display at 60 Hz offers bright colors, crisp details, and decent viewing angles. It's not a high refresh rate panel, but for both gaming and productivity, it gets the job done beautifully. You also get a backlit keyboard that's super comfortable for typing and gaming at night, plus a built-in HD webcam and HDMI output for external monitors, a nice touch if you're streaming or working with dual screens. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the TOPGRO really shines. The Intel Core i9-9980HK is an 8-core, 16-thread processor that can turbo boost up to 5.0 GHz. Pair that with 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM and a 1 terabyte PCIe 3.0 SSD, and you've got a powerhouse that boots up in seconds, launches apps instantly, and handles serious multitasking with ease. The GTX 1650 GPU isn't the newest, but it's still a solid performer. You can comfortably play games like GTA 5, Fortnite, Valorant, and Call of Duty Warzone at medium to high settings, hitting smooth frame rates. For creators, this setup is amazing for video editing, 3D rendering, and Photoshop. Even 4K footage editing in Premiere Pro runs impressively smooth. On the connectivity side, you get Wi-Fi 6 for faster and more stable internet, a must-have for gamers and streamers, plus multiple USB ports, HDMI, and a headphone jack. The Windows 11 Pro operating system comes pre-installed, giving you the latest productivity and security features right out of the box. Battery life is decent too, around 5 to 6 hours for normal use, which is pretty good considering the high-performance hardware. I've been testing this laptop for a few days, and honestly, it's impressed me. Everything feels snappy. Programs load instantly, the fans are quiet under light loads, and the backlit keyboard gives it that gaming aesthetic we all love. If you're a student or professional who needs a fast laptop for both work and play, this is a great choice. It handles Zoom calls, Excel sheets, and even virtual machines effortlessly. And gamers, you'll appreciate that it runs most modern titles smoothly without overheating. The thermal management system keeps the CPU around 80 degrees Celsius under load, which is excellent for an i9 chip. Now, let's talk about value, because that's where TOPGRO really nails it. For a laptop with these specs, i9 processor, GTX 1650 graphics, 32 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, and Wi-Fi 6, most brands would easily charge over $1,500. But the TOPGRO gaming laptop often sells for under $1,000 on Amazon, depending on the current deal. That's insane value for money. Again, check the affiliate link in the description to see the latest price and availability. Sometimes it even goes on sale with discounts or coupons. So here's my verdict. If you want a powerful all-around laptop that can handle gaming, video editing, and productivity without breaking your budget, the TOPGRO gaming laptop is 100% worth considering. It's fast, well-built, and delivers premium performance at a mid-range price. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss future reviews like this. And of course, if you're planning to buy it, use my Amazon affiliate link in the description to support the channel. It really helps out at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.